Hello everyone, welcome back. As you know, we are growing pak choy seedlings in this vertical hydroponic system. We have already done 2 videos where we assembled the system and of course showed you how to plant seeds, how to condition the nutrient solution, how to test pH and so on. So if you have not yet watched those videos, I would recommend that you go back and watch those 2 videos. Now this video serves to give you an update, because remember we planted the seeds, the pak choy seeds, 2 days ago. Now of course this is 2 days after, and this is what the growth looks like. So of course, as you can see, pak choy seedlings, they have emerged, right? And if you look closely, you will realize that not all the plugs have seedlings in them, because these, we are going to wait, give it some more time to see if the seedlings will emerge. If not, this is one lesson to learn. When you plant a number of seeds, you may realize that you will not get 100% germination, right? And that is why some people prefer planting the seeds somewhere else and ensuring that they actually plant actual seedlings that germinate into their hydroponic system. So when you do it that way, you'll know that if you have 20 plant sites, all your 20 plant sites will have plants. But doing it this way, where you put the seeds into the actual system, you will realize that, as I said, some plugs might not germinate and so on. So what I might have to do is just go back and put seeds into those that haven't germinated as yet. And right, so but all the other sites, they have germinated, right? And this is what it looks like. As I said, this is just an update to show you the progress of the system and how the plants are growing and the different things that we will do. Please remember to subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, please share the video to your friends and anyone who you know who is interested in growing plants in an hydroponic system, so that they can learn as well. Thank you. See you again soon.